guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to copy and paste values without formulas in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data available to us where we can explore copy and pasting values where there's a formula involved. For example, for values under the full name column, we are currently using the concatenate function or the concatenate formula within our data. As you can see, the values under the full name column contains a formula within them. As you can see, we are using the concatenate function by choosing the first cell, B3, followed by a space, and the second cell, which is C3. Once this formula is entered, a result of this one would show up. Now, whenever we try to copy-paste the values, we get nothing. Why is that? Well, it's all because of this function right here. What we copy and pasted is the actual function, but since we don't have values for cell B10 and cell C10, we're not gonna get anything. Now, if our main concern is just to copy and paste the values from this column to anywhere, all we have to do is select any data that we want. Next, go ahead and click on Anywhere and right-click. Now, for the paste options, we need to press this icon right here that has 1, 2, 3 in it. It's also called the Values option under the Paste options. Once we do so, we're gonna get the name that we wanted. Now, we can do it for the whole column right here just by doing the same thing. We can get any value that we want, copy-pasted anywhere. And there we have it. This is how we copy-paste values without formulas in Microsoft Excel.